Hey everyone, the purpose of this video is to run through the process for running a degree audit. A degree audit is basically a summary of all of the requirements that you have or have not completed for your degree. Things might look a little bit different from my end since I'm on the back end of things, but the process is going to be the same. So to start off, you need to navigate to Buckeye Link, which is found at buckeyelink.osu.edu. And when you get to that page, you'll log in to your Student Center using your OSU ID and password. And that's going to bring you to this page that you see here. Again, for most of you who are enrolled in classes, this is where you're going to be able to view your schedule. That would be right here if I were enrolled in classes. You can view financial aid and do a lot of different functions from this space. But for now, we're actually going to scroll down. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you should see a box called Enrollment Information. And within the Enrollment Information box, there's going to be a link to the degree audit. So you can go ahead and just click on the degree audit link. And this is where it might look a little bit different for you, but essentially it's going to look like this. And you'll have the ability to request a new audit if you need to. I'm actually going to go back and do it the back way. So this is going to be a test audit for nursing. And I'm going to go in and request a new audit. Again, for most of you, since you're already in the major, this will automatically populate at the top. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Run Audit. So as you can see here, this is going to be a summary of what this test audit has or has not completed towards nursing. I would recommend always clicking on Open All section so that you can see the specifics within. At the top you'll see there's going to be a GPA here, and then there's going to be a summary of all the courses that you've taken at OSU so far. Scroll down and we'll get into the specific requirements here. So every GE that's required for nursing is going to be listed. If you have completed the category already, you're going to see a green check mark. That means that's complete and you don't have to do anything else. If you have not completed the category, there's going to be a red X, so that literature requirement for this particular student is not complete. And any of the courses listed below are courses that will count to fulfill that requirement. As we continue to scroll down, we'll get into the nursing major courses, and again, as you enroll in or complete these specific courses, these categories will all complete. At the bottom, you're going to see a summary of your coursework by term with your GPAs for each term. And essentially, this is what we use to certify you for graduation. So if everything on your degree audit is complete, you're good to go. If something is not complete, that is a requirement that still has to be done. If you're registered for a course and you haven't actually finished it yet for a grade, you'll see something similar to this green check mark next to the category, but it'll actually be this sliding bar, and that just means that the course is in progress. So if you do successfully complete it, then that category will eventually show a green check mark and be listed as complete.